Okay, just get open. So I want to balance this. So first let's go and name the elements. This is copper, this is oxygen, this is copper oxide. So I already wrote it down just to save some time. Then I go and count how many is there. I see the subscript it's 2. Copper is 1 because there's nothing yet, the coefficient, and nothing at the subscript, also with the oxygen. Now I see already that the oxygen is not balanced. So I need to multiply on this side with 2. But that means I'm going to change the coefficient and then it multiplies throughout with the copper as well. So that's also going to be 2. Then I see the oxygen is balanced, but not the copper. So I need to multiply with 2 on the left-hand side also. And then because I wrote it in a different color, I see I forgot to put it there. Then I can just erase my little arrow. Then it is balanced.